Understanding Kitchen Mixer, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase kitchen mixer. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these common phrases can be very helpful in everyday conversations. So let's dive in. A kitchen mixer is a common household appliance. It's primarily used for mixing, folding, beating, and whipping ingredients. Kitchen mixers come in two main types: hand mixers and stand mixers. Hand mixers are smaller and handheld, while stand mixers are larger and rest on the counter. They are essential tools for baking and cooking, making tasks like kneading dough or whipping cream much easier and faster. Kitchen mixers are not just convenient, they are a staple in many kitchens due to their versatility. They can be used for a variety of tasks, such as making cakes, cookies, bread, pastries, and much more. Understanding this tool is crucial for those interested in culinary arts or simply love cooking at home. It's a great example of how modern appliances have revolutionized cooking and baking. Let's see how kitchen mixer can be used in sentences. 1. I used my kitchen mixer to knead the pizza dough. 2. Can you please buy a kitchen mixer? It will make baking much easier. 3. My grandmother gifted me her old kitchen mixer, and it works wonderfully. These examples show the phrase used in a practical, everyday context, helping you understand how and when to use it. In many cultures, owning a kitchen mixer is considered a sign of a well-equipped kitchen. Popular TV cooking shows and baking competitions often feature various types of kitchen mixers, showcasing their importance in culinary arts. This cultural relevance makes the phrase kitchen mixer popular and commonly understood across different English-speaking regions. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the term kitchen mixer better. Remember, learning these practical phrases can significantly enhance your English language skills, especially if you're interested in cooking or baking. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.